the relationship of China and Africa has gone tremendously high. Some of the initiatives that have come from China, Belt Road Initiative, for instance, I would say that is one initiative that we in Africa, and if I may say, particularly we in Nigeria, should tag on to. Because if, even within Africa, we will be able to enhance intra-African trade if communication and transportation within Africa is better, much better than it is today. What can we do to ensure peace? And China can be a partner, a great partner. China is helping us and working with us in some areas of infrastructural development, trading with us. So equity, justice, fair play, inclusiveness or inclusivity, getting everybody to have a stake and feeling that, yes, this belongs to me, I am part of it, is what. And China has done that fairly well. China can lead the world in that.